Myself Tarun Mudgal, assistant professor in Bayani Nursing College. Today my topic is diabetic retinopathy. So we will discuss here diabetic retinopathy. This is directly associated with the diabetes mellitus. As we say that, what is the definition of diabetes mellitus? We will see the definition of diabetes mellitus as it may be defined as a vascular changes in the retinal blood vessels. It may be defined as a vascular changes in the retinal blood vessels. After that, we will discuss upon etiology. Etiology means what are the causes of disease occurrence. Etiology means what are the disease causes. That will be disease age existence. So first one we are described as a idiopathic, because idiopathic is a cause that in the medical surgical or in the medical profession there is no specific cause for related any disease that will be showed a symptomatic treatment are preferred to treat and cure the patient. So we can say the first idiopathic cause is idiopathic. The second one is previous DM. Previous DM means पहले से जो diabetes mellitus है. दूसरा congenital. The third one is smoking also, and another one is increasing level of the glucose. After that we will see pathophysiology. Now we see the pathophysiology due to etiological factor that will lead to blood glucose level increases. The blood glucose level, if the blood glucose level increases, that maybe leads to aneurysm of the blood vessels. Aneurysm blood vessels leads to constrict the retinal blood vessels and leads to sign and symptom. Sign and symptoms, if the diseases occur and sign and symptoms are existent, then first one is coming as a pain, because the pain is due to aneurysm. Aneurysm is a condition whereas the blood vessels are narrowing, in their structure. It is called aneurysm. So that aneurysm, if there is aneurysm present, then pain is also present in the eye. So that's why the next point is blurred vision. Blurred vision means cloudiness in the vision ability and capacity loss of the vision. The second one is insomnia. The third one is restlessness, discomfort and fatigue. The fourth word is color disturbances, color changes in the eye. Next we will see diagnosis. The first of all we see the physical examination and history collection. We will take a history for family history. If there any presence of past medical or surgical history via the DM or associated any DM disease associated disorder, as like diabetic retinopathy as a result of increasing diabetes patient in their family, or so we can say we should take any disease always family history. After that we will take physical history, physical examination. So we should inspect the eye if there are any changes, like in this disease the eye is constrict. Constrict eye means constrict retinal blood vessels, or pupils are dilate and constrict also. After that we